Hey there. So today I wanted to talk about this guy. This is something that I've always wanted, never really had a chance to pick up, and I had a chance, so I grabbed it. I didn't realize something whenever I got it. Whenever I pulled it out of the box, it actually comes with all of these. These are all adapters. So you've got half, quarter to half, etc., which allows you to go from this big bad guy to a regular size that most people use. And what this does is it allows you to take either a something like this or a socket wrench or a air powered wrench and basically stick it in the end here like this. And then you have an extender that allows you to turn things that are farther away that you can't reach this whole thing inside of. So all you got to reach in is this, which is freaking fantastic. So just in the middle, and then I check something here. That's kind of cool. It doesn't matter if I have this thing reversed or not. It still goes the same way, depending on which way you flip that. I'm not even sure how that magic works, but there it is. So this thing is heavy duty. I can't explain to you the weight of this thing. And what's cool, it's got this rubberized grip on it, and I can go ahead and throw a socket on this thing and reach in anywhere I want to without sticking a whole wrench or my arm or an air gun or something like that. So if you're looking for something like this, I would definitely consider picking one up. I'm gonna go ahead and use this real quick. All right, so something I did notice is it does seem to really slow it down. So I'm wondering if there's not any gearing in here to try to help this thing turn and maybe give it a little bit more torque, which would be fantastic, especially if you're in a rough spot like on an older car or a truck that has rusted, bolts and nuts and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. Took that off of my wheelbarrow super easy, but that's just what I have to be working on at this point in time. So I figured it was a good time to use it. So pretty cool. So check it out. If it's something that you're looking for, I don't think you'll be able to go wrong.